THV 11's Journey Taylor is live from the Indian Hills neighborhood in North Little Rock, where help is already arriving. Journey?
Yeah, good morning, Karen. We've been up and down this neighborhood here in Indian Hills. We were here for several hours yesterday, and we've been here for about 2 hours this morning. We're starting to see the neighborhood wake up and start to do a lot of cleanup, but you also see the hands of the community from yesterday with several pals on the corner waiting on that junk and that trash to be picked up from the city. Now, you can also see that help coming in as people help their neighbors for their lives that have been impacted and has changed forever now.
It's hard. It's hard. I was in shock.
It's a new day, but the pain is still being felt. Brenda Goodson has lived at the corner of Osage and Pontiac in North Little Rock for the last 29 years, a place where she raised her family.
I'm alive. My daughter's alive. We found all our pets. All this doesn't really matter. All these people, most of them I don't know. And I just appreciate the help.
Many have no clue what's next for their homes and lives, but today, trusting and leaning hard on their community. And even for those not directly impacted, like Pastor Chopper Ward of Rock City Church in Sherwood and his congregation, he says this is the time to show what works of faith truly means.
And I believe what the enemy meant for evil, God's going to turn for good. So this is an opportunity for the church to either put up or shut up. So we say one thing behind the pulpit, but this is the time when we really get to act like the church.
Volunteers coming from near and far, and even helping in communities they've known all of their lives.
It is emotional. It is hard to see because I grew up here, I know this area, and these are real people, and they're having real experiences.
The ones here today, tomorrow, and the days to follow, understanding that the biggest help at times is not always physical.
We'll be going out and assessing damage in the area, talking with these residents about what kind of support we can give them. It could be anything from spiritual to mental to medical needs if they've lost medicines, if they've lost any of their medical equipment, and financial needs as they become available.
You at home may want to help in some capacity. Red Cross says if you need help, call 1-800-RED-CROSS. But if you also would like to help, you can also call that same number. Again, that is 1-800-RED-CROSS. Now, we also here at THV, we also want to make this process easy for you. We have a full list of ways you can give. You can text GIVE to 501-376-1111. There we have a full list of ways you can give and help. Again, text GIVE to 501-376-1111. Karen, back to you.
All right, thank you. Thank you, Journey. We appreciate your perspective in North Little Rock, and we hope folks will go ahead and text to find out information about that. So thank you, Journey.